Hello guys, how are you? I am back today with my BOXYCHARM. Now, I know I said last month that this is the premium, so I know I said last month that we weren't going to do the premium anymore, but it's here. I kind of forgot about it in the grand scheme of things, just canceling it. So I'm actually not so mad, and we'll see why when I get into it. So again, this is the Boxy Premium for December of 2021. I cannot believe we're going into 2022 that quickly. It feels like a blink of an eye, isn't it all? But this is what it looks like when you do open it up. It does have the blue inside and this paper on top, and then we're going to get into the goodies. So it says, first of all, just forgive my nails. I've had a lot of stress. You should see the amount of hair that's falling out of my head. I'll try to insert it if I can remember. My nails, there's a lot going on, so accept me as I am, please. So the BOXYCHARM Gift of Glam is this month, the theme, I guess you would say, of this month. And we're just going to go in order here. Put that there real quick. This right here is the Elemis Superfood Matcha Eye Dew. Now, I love all things Elemis, so I'm actually really excited to try this, though I'm not super excited for many eye creams. I think it's always good to use one, and it says this refreshes, brightens, and nourishes. This is for $39, so $40, and it's a cooling eye gel. So I'm excited to have a little Elemis. I do love Elemis. So the next thing I actually used all over my face. This is everything you pretty much see on my face, minus my lips, and of course my foundation and mascara. This is the Kenya Ontiveros, I believe is how you say, Kenya Ontiveros Beauty Glow and Go Kit. It is $48, and I actually have a blush and highlighter palette from her, and I absolutely love it. So this is the slip cover that comes over it. This is what it looks like. It looks like a little book with the beautiful... That's not beautiful. That's not what I was going to say. I was going to say the beautiful inside. And it is a little bit of everything. So here this used for my under powder. What did I just say? I used this for my under eye powder. I used this as the eyeshadow that you're going to see in here. I used a little bit of the dark color just right in here to deepen that up slightly and ever so under here, but you can barely see it. I did, however, use both of these colors on my brows, and I actually really like it. I'm a pomade person. I don't typically use pencils or powders, and I actually really liked this. And then I use this color on my eyelids and this color for my inside, and then the highlight over here. I actually mixed, this color with a little bit of this color for my highlight right here. I use this color on my cheeks, and then I use this color as my bronzer. Now this is a little bit orange for me. We'll say that. Did I say I use this Yeah, I did. I didn't use this under eye. I did use this all over the eye. I use this under eye and on my forehead, just right here, and then on my chin. This I use as my bronzer, and it is a little bit orange for me, at least. That's for me. So we're just going to go over the names. Driven is a great base color for your eyeshadow. I will use this in an upcoming video. I'm going to try to use all the products in an upcoming video, but I have to go get my son, so I didn't want to get into a long lengthy video. Let's just get this up there, and then later this month I will come in and use the whole box in its completion. This and the Luxe will put together a video. So Driven is great for all over. Empowered is a great crease shade. This would also be a great crease shade, or just a little darken it up a little bit. Limitless is the shimmer. Fearless is the next. Goals are right here, which is cute. And then this is Joy. This is Independent, Angelic, and Driven. So let's go into a couple swatches. Let's go Limitless, which is this light gold. Fearless, which is this darker gold. We'll go into this color right here, Joy, and this Independent. I don't know why I picked those, but that's what we're getting into. So now these are so buttery. I cannot say enough about this brand. Everything I have tried from them, I absolutely love, and just look how buttery and beautiful. They don't really go into the fine lines on my hands. You'll see they just really glide nicely over top of them. This is a beautiful blush, and then a blush topper. This really reminds me of this. Let's see if I can grab it real quick. That shimmery peach color really reminds me of Georgia. It's like the same thing to me. And I'll show you Georgia inside. We got this a few months back. So as you can see, let's go with the pinky. Do we grab it? Oh, we'll go with the thumb. Oh. And then we're just going to put this, what did I say? Right there. So I'll just put it right there just so we can compare because we're not going to be able to go right next to it. Okay, so it's a little bit weaker, but you get the idea. Same type of color, same type of goldish undertone with pink coloring. So yeah, I love this. This really saved the box for me. I did love the Elemis cream, obviously, but this is like kind of worth the box on its own, and I can't say enough good about their products. They've actually checked into the channel before and left a comment, so they're actually super nice and kind as well. Just I'm nobody, so they didn't have to do that. So a thumbs up to that brand altogether. And I believe, I'm not positive, but I believe it's a black owned brand as well. So big props to that. The next thing I have in here is the Stila Huge, that's what it's called, Extreme Lash Mascara. This is $23. It says no flakes, clumps, and or fallout, unlike my hair right now. Leaves lashes soft. And it says it lifts, it builds for unstoppable color boldness. It's pretty. I'm a Pat McGrath, where is it? The Dark Star, and this is my favorite. So I tend to have, like, it's also a really expensive one, so, you know, what can I say? Let's see. And then the next thing I have in here is, I'm so sorry. It is the Flawless Serum, and this is the Epi 1 Skincare Beverly Hills. Now this is what gets me, guys. $195. I did not use this. I don't even know if I'm going to use this. I kind of want to look into it a little more. If you've used this before or know anything about it or have used it this month, let me know how you guys feel about it. And it says it improves the appearance of fine line wrinkles, tightens, firms while providing the skin's surface with a protective barrier. It helps retain water in the corneous layer of the skin, making skin appear plump or radiant. It's $195. There's no way I would rebuy this. I say that as I think about having Tatcha. Still, $195? It's a different price point. No way. Okay, so I always feel like that's unfair. They always do stuff like this that kind of bumps it up, and then you get stuff like the next products, which is the Elena Bedro Luxury Beauty Sponge. This is a 2-pack, and they're showing us this $34. I thought I was giving it to the wrong side, but it's actually the same. So this is just a sponge. I have not opened these up to use these either. And this is from Evio Beauty. This is the Lipspo Liner Duo, and this is $24. You did get both of these. It says it glides on effortlessly, and it actually really does. It gives a matte finish. As you guys can see, I kind of used this color on the outer part of it and in here, and then kind of used this color right here just in here, and then blotted together until they kind of blended. And it's a really pretty color combo. It would be really pretty with a gloss over top of it as well. I'm just going to get my son, so try not to do the utmost walk it to grab him. But yeah, I would say that like this box was an okay box, and I'm not mad to have gotten it an extra month. These 2 products right here are really what saved it and are worth the box, so I can't be too mad at it. As for this, I believe like this is absurd. $195 better be like Botox in a bottle. That's pretty much what it better be like. But yeah, I would say that I would give this like a 3.5 out of 5 stars. And really, like I said, this is a huge win for me. I love this palette and I'm excited to have it. As you guys know, I'm still waiting for the Luxe to come. So when that gets in, I'll be back with my next video. Like I said, I will do a combined full face using all the things I can from both of those boxes as well. So you guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful start to your week. I hope you're all doing well. Sending you all love and light. Let me know, are we box twins? What did you get in your box? What's your favorite item out of my box or your box? I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.